Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, November 8th. Hope everybody's doing great. Everything is really good here. My craft room is coming along. I'm having so much fun redecorating it. And I think I told you guys that Temu was sponsoring me to put some things into my craft room. So I got this beautiful big rug from them that I'll show you soon. I'm just waiting for everything to come in and then I'll have a Temu haul. But for now, I have my regular weekly haul with some like home decor finds, crafty finds, and some good stuff. So I hope you watch the whole thing and let me know what you think. All right, so first I'm going to show you some things that I got from Walmart, including this cute little measuring spoon set. It's gingerbread, and I thought it would have the price on it, but I was just looking and I don't see it. I think it was like $3.97 possibly, but it's so cute. It's got little gingerbread faces, or little figures for each one, and I should have opened it up. Hang on, let me open this. Okay, so I just opened it and I'll show you that's a 1/4 teaspoon. They also had like a measuring cup set too, which was really cute. 1/2 teaspoon. I won't use this for measuring, but I will use it in my kitchen for part of my decor. I started decorating a little bit, but it kind of like seemed a little early, and I had taken down all of my fall and Halloween stuff. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get started more this week. It was just kind of warm, and I wasn't really feeling it. I got a few things out like kitchen mats, but yeah, now I'm gonna go full-fledged into decorating, probably starting this weekend. So yeah, isn't that so cute? So yeah, that's at Walmart, like in the front where they have the seasonal things coming out, where Halloween used to be. And then I also got, is this from Walmart? Yeah, this cute gift bag, and this is of course back in the other section with the ornaments and gift wrap and stuff, but I just thought this was so cute with the cute little deer and candy canes. This was $1.58, and yeah, it's a good medium size, comes with a little tag on it. So I got that, and then today I went there and I found these earrings. They have cute displays of holiday earrings, and they're all like $5. So this is like a gingerbread martini with little gingerbread men on the studs. So I just love these, and hopefully they're not too heavy. I really don't like wearing heavy earrings, but I couldn't resist those. They're so cute. So those are my Walmart finds I wanted to share with you. I got some things from Michael's the other week that I forgot to show you last week. They have these cute little mini figures, and they seem to go with their new sprinkle shop or sprinkle collection. And my Michael's, I don't think they have it yet, but they tend to not get the really, really cute collections every year. So I don't think they have that decor collection, but they did have this in the minis. And this is a cute Santa Claus with sled. It was $9.99, but it was 40% off, I think it was, so $6. Anyway, isn't this adorable? It's got this cute little Santa with the sprinkles on the brim of his hat and on his jacket, and he's pulling a little sleigh full of presents, and it's glittered and just really, really cute. So I'll put that somewhere in my decorations. And then I got Mrs. Claus to go with him, and she just looks so adorable. She's holding a candy cane or a couple candy canes and a gingerbread. She's got a little peppermint base. This was $6.99. So yeah, those will sort of go together, I guess. And then the last thing I got was this little gingerbread baker figure, and this was $4.99 and 40% off. So these are adorable. I will definitely, put them somewhere in my decorations, but this was the only Santa they had, so I figured I should grab it while I was there, and then got the others to go with it. And that's all I got from Michael's. I know they're like Christmas papers or 40% off, but I'm kind of waiting to get any more until they go to like $4.99 if they do, because I don't need any paper, but it would be nice to have some new ones. But I don't need to spend $11.99 on the paper pads. I can wait if they hopefully go down. If not, that's okay. All right, I got an order in from A Cherry on Top because they had this new Prima collection that I just thought was so adorable. So I picked up a few pieces. This is it. It's called The Home Baker by the Three Girls Tale. I've never heard of them before, but like I said, it's Prima, and this is the 6x6 paper pad. They had the 12x12 as well, but some of the designs I thought lended better for the 6x6, so that's why I got this. So it has 6 double-sided designs, 4 sheets of each, and 2 cutout element sheets. So if you're into fussy cutting, you can do that. So let's take a look at these. The colors are so pretty. It's kind of like, I don't know, doesn't it look like Mintay or Stamperia or something like that? So this is the first page, and it's got these like vintage recipes and this cute little mouse holding a mason jar. It's all like muted blues and tans. I thought this would be nice to use like in January when you're done with Christmas crafting and you still want to do something kind of wintry and cozy, but not necessarily Christmas anymore. And this is the back, which has all the vintage recipes on it. So really cute. Nice matte paper. Of course, Prima's excellent quality. This next page looks like this. And this is one of those designs I thought was better for a 6x6. Because in the 12x12, it's a really big image. So, if you're not doing scrapbook layouts, then it's harder to use. So I thought this would be easier for me to use like in albums or cards or something like that. So look at that cute little image with the mouse baker and all the little baking items. It's just adorable. It's got the French script up here. So the back looks like this with more recipes. Cute, cute. And then the next page looks like this, and I just think it's adorable. Wouldn't this make a cute mini album, like to do a recipe book? So yeah, there's that one. I love the green striping for the wallpaper. All the cute little like jars and bottles up there. It's so sweet. And then the back looks like this, very coordinating. Cute little recipe page there with the mouse. All right. And then the next page looks like this with the tan tile in the background and all the cute little images on the side. And yeah, just really pretty colors. Again, the tans and blues, a little bit of green. And that's the back of that one, just kind of like old tile. And then maybe, one or two more? Oh, this one is so cute. It says the home baker, and there's that mouse at her stove. Just the details are really, really cute, I think. I love it. It's a little shabby chic, just something different. And that's the back of that with the beautiful flowers. This is definitely more green on that page. And a little darker brown. And then there's oh, look at that page. That's cute. The 2 mice, this one holding a mason jar of sugar cubes, and this one holding a little pot. More recipes and the flowers. Love the scalloped background there. Even the little branding strip is so cute. And that's the back of that one. Just a perfect spot to put a recipe, Okay, and then probably just the fussy cutting sheets left. Yeah, so there are those. I'm not really into the whole fussy cutting things with I don't know. This looks like it might be hard to fussy cut to me. I guess if you have maybe a brother scan and cut, that would work out. But we'll see. Maybe I'll be able to do that. So yeah, that is the home baker, the 6x6. And of course I had to get some things to go with it. I got this pack of ephemera, which has 60 pieces, and Prima again does not give you a resealable bag, but that's okay. We'll open it. Maybe I'll open it. I'll open it from down here. I'll just retape it after. We have to see what's in here, right? Okay. So lots of nice pieces. And again, this is from a cherry on top, but I think scrapbook.com has it now too. There's like a knife all cut out. There's another one, or maybe like a frosting, spreader. There's a whisk. Oh, that's cute. A couple of them. So it looks like 2 of each. Rolling pin that says with love. Some aprons, and they're die cut really nicely. A little bit of white on the edges, but that's okay. Some jars or bottles. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. With the jar of cookies. Put a chocolate chip cookie recipe with that. Homemade recipes. Oh, look at that illustration. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love these. this was just a surprise when I happened to go on their site and I saw this was a new collection. I hadn't heard of it before, and then I saw it and I was like, oh, I need that. Look at that recipe. This would be great like on the spine of your book, recipe book. Pastry bags or icing bags, little page of a book with those cute mice. You know, illustrated mice I like, not the real ones. That's looks like that. And then we have cookies. That would be nice for like a header on top of one of the pages. Oops. Oh, there's a little mouse. Oh, pot holders, more rolling pins, little journaling spots, mixer. If you like cooking stuff, cute cooking stuff, or themes, you'll like this too, probably. Mason jar, glass, wooden spoons, mason jars, home baker. Here's a cake on a cake platter, cake stand. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. Just actually have to use it. This is one of those things like you can't really mix and match with other stuff in your stash unless you have stuff, you know, that looks like this. I don't have much, so I'll probably have to do, you know, like a whole recipe book just with using this collection. Maybe mix in some like ginghams or something. And then got some more. I got this, which is the sticker sheets. There were a whole bunch of pieces, so it's nice when a collection comes out these days that has a lot of things to go with it. So this is 5 sticker sheets, and let's see. Okay, oh, they're all different. Looks like they're white. They're not too glossy, which is nice. So it has these pretty baked goods on there. And then this one has some sentiments. The best things in life are sweet. Cake is always a great idea. Made with love in Nana's kitchen. That's what my kids called her Nana. Cute. Here are all the mice, the little stickers. I think this is the page that convinced me, or I convinced myself to get it based on that. Here are some more sentiments or illustrations. Grandma's cookies and hugs never run out. And then this, oh, that's nice. Right? All the different things you find in your kitchen. So yeah, that's the sticker sheet, and even the background of that is beautiful. And I also got the chipboard stickers, the sentiments. I figured these would be nice for embellishments. Love all the different cooking kind of sayings on there. All you need is love and chocolate. Lots of calories equals lots of love. All right, if that makes you feel better. Cookie lover, home is where cookies are, homemade with love, sweet memories. Yeah, so that's sweet. That comes with 49 pieces, chipboard stickers. And then the last thing in that collection I got was, excuse me, this little pack of yarn. So this comes with 4 colors of spools of yarn. There's 15 yards per color. And these are the colors it comes with. I thought this would be perfect to use in a mini album with these. And there's like a oatmeal color, a rust color. This looks like, it's hard to tell if that's gray or dark green, and then kind of like a bluish green color. So yeah, everything coordinates so nice, obviously. But yeah, so that's the Home Baker collection from Prima that I got on a cherry on top. And then let's see, I've got a few other things to share with you. Oh, I went to Aldi this week. This week they have like their advent calendars out and some Christmas decorations. I picked up their Aldi Food Market LED Holiday Village House. And obviously it's the Aldi store. It comes in different houses. I think there's a firehouse and some other things. That's what it looks like when you light it up. I have the version from last year too, which was a little bit different. So I figured I would add this to my collection, and this was $12.99. And if you want this, you better go check your Aldi now if you haven't already, because these things sell out really quickly. And it does have a timer, which is really nice. And you have to use 2 AA batteries. Okay, so there's that. And then I got this from Glassboard Studio. You know, I do collaborations with them. They sent me this for free. This is their new MegaMag ruler. So their glass craft mats are magnetized, so which is wonderful because usually they have these magnets that are nice and strong too to hold your, whatever you're working on in place so it doesn't move, and there are rulers on your cutting mat itself. But this is a huge, super strong magnet, and this is a 6-inch one. It also comes in 12-inch, and it comes in 12 different colors. This is the ice blue color, and it really like holds whatever you're doing in place. So whatever you're doing and you need to keep it in position, this will really do that well. So yeah, a nice 6-inch ruler. I'll put the link down below to it in case you're interested. I do have a affiliate link, so it'll be that, which means I just get a commission from it. It doesn't cost you anything extra. But I did want to share this with you because it's one of their new products, and they just have the best stuff on that site. Go take a gander around there when you have a chance. So that was from Glassboard Studio, and I think that is it for my haul this week. Yeah, like I had mentioned in the beginning, I will have a Temu haul soon. The things I ordered, I got 2 packages already. One and another one is going to be delivered today. So I'm going to check everything out and talk to my Temu rep, and I'll get a video out pretty soon with links and discounts and stuff. It will be sponsored. But the rug, I love the rug I got for my craft room. It's so pretty. I can't wait to show you guys. And that's about it. Let me know what you guys are up to this weekend. I think my daughter and I are going to like a holiday craft festival at a local orchard, so I am excited for that. I love doing stuff like that. So if we get anything, I will show it in my next week's haul. I'll be doing some more Scrap Diva Designs crafting. I know you guys are loving this Christmas release too. It's just so much fun. There's gingerbread and baking and Christmas and Thanksgiving, so I'm having so much fun crafting with that. And it's nice to be back in my craft room, and it definitely looks more like my craft room now, which is great. So I'll have a tour coming up pretty soon too. I'm still getting things organized, but that'll be on the way. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think, what your favorite item was from this haul. And yeah, I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, have a great day, guys. Thanks again for watching. Love you. Bye.